Alam nyo, di ko akalain that somebody will actually spoof my account. Nung una, di ko talaga magets. Why would this Vincent upload all my videos at yan, pasimple pa at Ian Seranilla para hindi halata. Sinaga niya and it's gaining traction pero naka-block naman ako. Akala tuloy ng iba kong friends and followers that this was my second account. Thank you nga pala to Sofia, Miguel, and Ruel. They were the first to inform me na somebody made a fake account. And ayan na nga, lumabas din ang totoo. The intention was very clear, to scam my followers into an investment crypto scam. Nag-worry pa nga ako baka meron pang iba na hinihingian ng pera through GCash. And that's why I made this video. Because I'm worried. Baka marami nang na-scam tong Vincent na to. My reputation,